Welcome to Wally Sap's YouTube channel, working with technologies smoothly. HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. Tutorial 2 out of 50 introducing HTML5. Topics of this tutorial: what is HTML5 version and history, new features of HTML5, HTML tags, elements, and HTML attributes. What is HTML5? HTML is a markup language used to create documents on the web. It is used to define the structure and layout of a web page, how a page looks, and any special function. HTML does this by using hot or cold tags that have attributes. For example, P means a paragraph tag. As a viewer of a web page, you don't see HTML element. It is hidden from your view. You see only the results. HTML5 is the latest version of hypertext markup language, the code that describes web pages. Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages are linked together. Thus, the link available on a web page is called hypertext. As its name suggests, HTML is a markup language, which means you use HTML to simply mark up a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. Version and history. Tim Berners-Lee, a scientist and academic, was the primary author of HTML, with the assistance of his colleagues at CRL, an international scientific organization based in Geneva. Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989 at CRL. He was named one of Time magazine's 100 most important people of the 20th century. For this accomplishment, year-wise version history, you can see the list. New features of HTML5. New semantic elements like header, footer, article and section. New attributes of form elements like number, date, time, calendar, and range. Graphic elements, SVG canvas, multimedia element, audio and video. HTML API. HTML geolocation, drag and drop, local storage, application cache, and web workers. Support of use of inline scalar vector graphics, SVG, and mathematical markup language MathML in text HTML. Available type of form controls include dates and times, email, URL source number, range, tail, and color. New available attributes of character set on meta and asynchronous on script. Global attributes that can be applied for every element that include ID, tab index, hidden data, or customer data attributes. HTML5 removes some elements. HTML4 are no longer be supported by HTML5. Most are already deprecated and shouldn't be surprising. They are acronym applet, frame, frameset, no frames, tag, TT. HTML tags and element structure. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and end tag, with the content inserted in between. HTML attribute structure. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provides additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name value pair